Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 156. Let's see what the question says. Hydrocarbon A reacts with bromine by substitution to form an alkyl bromide, which by Wood's reaction is converted to gaseous hydrocarbon containing less than 4 carbon atoms. A is, let's start solving it. So we started with CH4 and then we are making its reaction with Br2 in presence of sunlight, and that gives us CH3Br, and upon its reaction with dry ether sodium we are causing this reaction Woods, and due to which what happens is CH3Br plus CH3Br would tends to give us CH3 CH3 plus Br2.